Hello, Molly here with ColDesi. Today, I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to customize a t-shirt using a direct-to-film transfer. I'm using our Hotronix Fusion IQ heat press, but you can use any heat press that we sell here at ColDesi. My time and temperature are set to 300°F. Our first press will be done at 10 seconds, a finishing press at 5 seconds, and my pressure is set to firm at 7. Let's get started. So first, you're going to want to grab your t-shirt. I am using a cotton blend today. Get it aligned on the heat press. We're going to grab our transfer. You'll have the image side facing up. Get it all nice and centered. And then grab a finishing sheet to help protect our heat press. Now we're ready to press. My favorite thing about DTF is this shirt is going to be all finished in about 25 seconds, maybe even less, and we'll have a great shirt ready to go. All right. So now we are going to peel off our transfer. You'll want to do it in one steady movement and go all the way through, just like that. Time for our final press. 5 seconds, let's go. We're almost done. And here we have it, a beautiful t-shirt customized. For more videos just like this, follow along. As always, give us a call with any questions, and we can't wait to see your beautiful DTF creations.